If threading a needle drives you crazy, this video is for you. In this video, I'm sharing multiple threading tips using different types of needles and threads, so you can easily adapt them to whatever you're sewing. From embroidery floss to tiny needle eyes, these quick tricks will make hand sewing so much easier, especially if you're a beginner. Alright, let's get started. And here are a few other threading tips that are really interesting and actually very effective. So what do you think about these threading tips? Give them a try, they actually work. And to keep going, let's move on to a few more small sewing tips. They're fun, useful, and you won't want to miss them, so don't go anywhere. And this is how you start stitching without a knot. It's clean and neat. If your thread is running short, here's a quick way to tie a finished knot. So those are my quick sewing tips with just thread and a needle, simple techniques, but incredibly useful for everyday hand sewing. I hope these tips make your sewing process easier, cleaner, and a lot more enjoyable. If you found any trick especially helpful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you'll try first. Don't forget to save this video for later, and share it with anyone who loves hand sewing too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.